ice cream.
Today I'm going to show you guys how to make ice cream. Little stick.
Classic vanilla ice cream. Our ingredients are 1 cup of evaporated milk, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 3/4 a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
We're going to start by putting our ice cream maker together.
That's the spinner thing. That makes things
Spinner
cold.
thing.
Well, no.
That goes inside first. And then you put the outer shell on. And now Mallory is going to whisk everything together.
Two pinches of salt.
That's a pinch and a half.
A pinch and a half of salt.
Now it's 2 pinches of salt.
2 pinches of salt. Turn kind of creamish.
It smells great.
Now we're gonna pour it in. We're gonna let this go for 20 minutes.
Our ice cream has been going for 20 minutes and it is now finished. We're gonna pour it in the pan.
Yes.
Let's take this top off. Oh, look at that.
It's like cold too.
Yeah.
What do you want, paper
Oh.
towel?
Scrape all of this ice cream off the inside.
Oh, it's good.
It's really sticking to the sides in there. Just wants to freeze up on the inside, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is our first time using evaporated milk.
I think it's made it thicker, more condensed.
We're gonna cover this with plastic wrap.
We're gonna put this in the freezer overnight.
Our ice cream has set overnight.
We made a little sundae.
And we're gonna give it a shot. Go ahead, Mallory. Dig in.
Oh, that's really good.
Oh, wow. The evaporated milk
I think that
makes a lot of difference.
Yeah.
Almost tastes sweeter, too.
Maybe a little bit.
But then again, we have all that syrup on it and stuff.
Oh, yeah, that's true. And for vanilla, this is really good.
Yes, very good.
I would definitely recommend to make this.
We're definitely making it with evaporated milk from now on.
Yeah.
Well, you've seen how easy it was.
I had a fun time making this, and it's really good, and you should go try it.
Give it a try.
Bye.
Remember to like and subscribe so you get notified every time I release a new video.